Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 12th science. Students, now this is the third model question paper which we are solving. Let's see the question patterns, how they can ask in the exam. You know very well that the questions are asked in the four section, that is A, B, C, D, and certain constant value they will be giving you, and the atomic mass of the element will be given. Now each section should be start on the new page, that is section A, section B, section C, section D. And if any question which is asked from the non-evaluation part, so at least you write the question number on the answer booklet. At least you write the question number. Say for example, the first question is wrong, suppose, from the non-evaluation part. So at least you write question number 1, first one. So if you write this much, then you will be getting marks. Otherwise, if you won't write the question number, then the board will not give you the marks. So over here, the first question is from the semiconductor, that is first chapter, that is solid state. So the addition of trace of aluminium in the crystal lattice of the germanium give rise which type of semiconductor? And actually this may be from the non-evaluation part, but you know very well this in the physics also you have studied that germanium, they are from the 14 group element, and for p-type semiconductor trivalent impurity is added. So out of which if you add aluminium is a trivalent impurity, the valency for aluminium is 3, so p-type semiconductor will form. So option number A. Next, which of the following will have maximum depression in freezing point? Maximum depression in freezing point. Here concentration, 3 salt concentration is same and 1 is different. That is for the potassium chloride is different. Depression in freezing point is a colligative property which depend upon the number of solute present or mass of solute added to the solution. So depends upon total number of solute. Here when you hydrolyze all these salt, lithium sulfate, potassium chloride, aluminum sulfate and barium chloride, when you hydrolyze, you will be getting more number of ion only in the option number C, that is Al 3 plus 2 times plus 3 times sulfate 2 minus. So the number of solute particle is maximum, hence maximum decrease in the freezing point will be observed when you take the option number C. Next, solubility from the colligative solution and solution chapter. So and the third one is from the equilibrium, the second one from the solution chapter, third one is from the chemical equilibrium. The solubility, that is KSP of the salt soluble, that is 1:1, AX means 1:1. The solubility product has been given, KSP is given, its solubility in mole per dm cube is dashed. As you know very well, when 1:1 salt is there, the solubility and solubility product, the relationship we have, that is KSP is equal to S square, and S is equal to under root KSP. So you have to find the root of 5.2 into 10 raised to minus 3. You will be getting 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 7. That is option number A. That is option number A. Fourth one, in lead storage battery during discharging. Lead storage battery, this chapter I have taught you. This is from the non-evaluation part. So in this way, certain non-evaluation question will be also asked in the board exam. You just have to write the question number, and if you don't attempt the answer, then also the board will give you a marks. The lead storage battery during the discharging, what happened? The pH increases. So lead storage battery is not from the, it is from non-evaluation part. Let's go ahead with the rate constant, that is chemical kinetics. The order of the reaction they have asked to us. This is dinitrogen pentoxide, you can see here. The rate constant has been given, and the unit is S raised to minus 1. Now this reaction you cannot say by the moles, that is 2 times N2O5 has been written over here. So you cannot say that the order of the reaction is 2. No. you have to by heart the unit of the rate of the reaction. If there is a first order reaction, there is unit will be s raised to minus 1 per second. If the second order reaction is there, the unit will be changing. You have to by heart it from the chapter. So this per second is the first order reaction. The rate constant unit. So the option is B. So whenever they will ask you the rate of the reaction, you have to just see the unit for the rate constant. So it is per second, that means it is first order reaction. Most favorable condition for the formation of SO3 via equation will be low temperature, high pressure. Low temperature, high pressure. These questions are generally, the level of the question is actually from the NCERT level, because the book is updated to the 80% syllabus of our textbook is from NCERT. That is why the question is similar to that of NCERT. So the answer is low temperature and high pressure. Low temperature and high pressure. This you have studied in the low temperature, high pressure. You have studied in the chemical equilibrium. But now this question is asked from the elements of groups 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. As sulfur, compounds of sulfur, that is from 16 group element. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Coordination compound, IUPAC name of the compound. You know very well what is the IUPAC name. You have to start from the pentamine, monochloro, cobalt. The valency of cobalt will be 3 chloride. Pentamine, option number A. Pentamine, chloride, cobalt. Actually it should be chloro. So here they have by mistake. Answer is A, but here in place of chloride there should be chloro. Pentamine, option number A. Pentamine, chloride is written, but it should be chloro, cobalt, 3 chloride. Remember, printing mistake. Option number A. Stable oxidation state for the chromium are, you know, chromium, atomic number of chromium also you know very well. Here the stable electronic configuration from +3 and +6. Ninth one, very important reaction. Here alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide has been given to you. Alcoholic potassium hydroxide, when you add alcohol will not form. Butene, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is there, propene will form. Propene, on propene, HBr is added, that is Marconi-Kopp's rule will be carried out. So isopropyl bromide. Then aqueous KOH, that means alcohol will form. You will be getting isopropyl alcohol. The end product of it, isopropyl alcohol. Option number A. Right answer. Option number A. Which of the following is used to make polyamide? Amide will be having an alone family is amide. Option number C. Answer the following question. Write the relationship between the rate and half life of the first order reaction, zeroth order reaction. This we have studied in chemical kinetics. So from that you can write the answer. We will see the answer page also. Under what condition cell potential is called standard cell potential? Under 25 degrees Celsius, 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 molar concentration. This is called as standard cell potential. So let's see the answer page. Before seeing the answer, we will discuss the question, then we will go ahead. Iodine plus potassium perchlorate gives you KCl plus KiO3. KCl, it will be giving you Cl2 gas. Over here, third one, it will be giving you Cl2 gas. Because potassium KiO3 is over here. That is why nobelium is only actinoid with the +2 oxidation state. Since 2 electron is in the 7s orbital, which can donate, hence exhibit +2, because F is completely filled with the 14 electron. Is the complex COF6 cationic or anionic if the oxidation state of cobalt is +3? You know very well. +3 -6. The answer will be -3 will be going on the top. it will be minus. So that is why this will be an anionic complex. Let's see. Minus 3. Suppose on the head there is minus 3 and cobalt is X. 6 minus 6 will be going over the plus 6. Minus 3 plus 6 plus 3. So it is anionic complex. It will be anionic complex. How to calculate? Assume the valency of cobalt will be X. X minus 6 because fluorine is equal to, assume that on the head there is a plus minus 3. So when you solve the valency of CO, that is when we solve effective atomic number, at that time we have to find the valency of cobalt. So on the head of this square bracket there will be minus 3. At that time cobalt will be plus 3. Next, identify the reaction. This is the preparation of pteryline. Preparation of pteryline, actually ethylene glycol and terphthalic acid is preparation of ethylene polyester from the polymer chapter. Benzyl alcohol to benzyl cyanide, potassium cyanide we have to add. Convert benzyl alcohol to benzyl cyanide, halogen derivative. Define electrochemical series. In my lecture I have defined electrochemical series, in which the reduction half reaction is written along with the potential and decreasing oxidizing strength. Define freezing point from solution chapter, how the molar mass of the non-volatile solute. This we will discuss directly from the solution part. See, from 3 to 14, out of which only 8 we have to write. In section C, any 8, again 3 marks question. In D, any 3 out of 5. See, in this way also they can ask a question that is from the, what I can say, challenging type question. Ridhima want to detect structure of surface material. Name the technique she has to use. What is IUPAC name of this compound esterification? Let's see, go ahead, the answer page. This MCQ we have solved, you can have a look. Electrochemical series definition, reaction. Freezing point definition, how molar mass can be calculated, the formula has been given. On the basis of Arrhenius theory, from acid base, definition of acid and base has been given over here. A free expansion, fifth one, is nothing but, you know very well, when no work is done, free expansion result into no work done, as pressure, external pressure is 0. No external pressure present over here, that is why work done is 0. Why anode in the galvanic cell considered to be negative and cathode positive? This question will be not asked in the exam, because very simple it is, but then too you can have a look on the answer. Now again I am saying that this question number 7 is very important. This type of question they will be asking in the board exam. Conductivity cell, that is the formula lambda equal to 100, 1000 K upon C. K is the conductivity and C is the concentration in lambda. Over here all they have given the data. Just we have to put and we have to find the conductivity as they have asked us to find the conductivity. A conductivity can be filled with 0.02 molar H2SO4. Temperature has been given, the distance 122 ohm. If the molar conductivity is this, then what is the cell constant? So we have to find first of all K. The formula for cell constant is K is equal to B upon R. B is the cell constant and K into R. So in this way we can find the cell constant also. Define order of the reaction. This you have studied in the chemical kinetic. Simple definition. Write the reaction of SO2 with H2S. See, the elements of group 16, 17, 18 is actually the reactions are more has been given in the inorganic type. That is why you can prepare from this question paper. So at least you can able, if they ask this type of question, you can able to write it. Explain the compound of copper 2 and colored while zinc are colorless, because no unpaired electron present in the D, that is zinc, and in copper unpaired electrons are there, that is why they show color. IUPAC name, you know very well how to write the IUPAC name, I have taken in detail. Then also you can try. For the copper you can see here amines are there and the water aquo. So diamine, diaquo, the primary valency, and you have to write copper, and it is a cationic complex, that is why copper 2 chloride. Formula for potassium trioxalate aluminate, oxalato aluminate in this way, K3Al C2O4 thrice. Postulate of Werner theory. This question can be asked, but actually it was from the last year syllabus. Here much of the point has been not been given, but it is, they can ask the question, what are the postulate of Werner atomic theory. You know very well, every metal has two types of valency, primary, secondary, and every metal tend to satisfy both the type of valency, that is primary and secondary, and the secondary valency is the directional in nature, it is fixed in the space. In this way these points are given. Name the formula of monomer in the following. Pteryline, ethylene glycol, just now we have seen in the MCQ, one of the question. Here the derivative of tophthalic acid has been written, that is dimethyl tophthalic acid. Even if you write the dimethyl only tophthalic acid, then also will do. This is a challenging type question. This question is not expected, but it is from the biomolecule. What you have studied, we have studied from the carbonyl compound crystallizes PPT by sodium bisulfite. That means, and give positive trace of iodoform, but does not reduce Fehling solution. Write the structure of carbonyl compound C5H10O in this way. Positive iodoform test means it is a methyl ketone. Always methyl ketone will give positive test for iodoform. Section C. How many tetrahedral octahedral voids are present in the closed packed structure? Just you have to remember, in the tetrahedral void it is 2n and octahedral void is 1. In all, total void will be 3n plus n, that is 3n per sphere. This coordination number in the body centered cube will be dash, that is 8. What causes depression freezing point? When non-volatile solid is added, that cause depression freezing point. Bring about the conversion. This conversion very important. Reduction takes place. Lithium aluminum hydride is a reducing agent, forms ethyl alcohol. This reaction is also important. From the Grignard reagent is added, and product which is obtained in this way, alcohol is obtained. From the alcohol phenol ether. Dehydrogenation, alcoholic potassium hydroxide causes dehydrogenation, formation of alkene will takes place. Potassium alcohol, this is the mechanism what they have shown. Directly we can write the alkene. Beta elimination, we can say beta elimination. Write the oxidation state, coordination number, electronic configuration of the metal atom from coordination compound. Very simple. Calculate the mass of the gram as an impurity from solution colligative property. Numerical problem. Even you can put it in the option or you can solve it very nicely. From chapter number 1. This type of question you solve, student. Formula I have told you previously also. D is equal to mass upon volume of the unit cell multiplied by the number of atoms and divided by Avogadro. That formula you have to write and you can solve it. Level the conjugate acid base pair from the equilibrium chapter, you know very well. Maximum work done from thermodynamics. This question is also nice and we can say it is important. They can ask it, such type of question. 23. Electrolysis of molten NaCl. This question is expected 99%. Explain the electrolysis of molten NaCl, what I have explained in the chapter previously in the lockdown. Describe the manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. This also you prepare this question 25 number, very important. Contact process can be asked, clear. And 26, what are the action of lanthanide, mineral net? This also you prepare. Action of lanthanoids, mineral acid. What are the action of following on lanthanoids? If you add HCl on lanthanoid, what will happen? Reaction will take place. Nitrogen, sulfur you add. So in this way, nitride is form LNN. LN is symbolized for general symbolization of lanthanoids. Question number, section D, a very simple question again from the solid state and the equilibrium isobaric process. Uses of argon, remember carefully, you have to prepare that from element of 16, 17, 18, the uses of 18 group element. Graphical representation also you have to prepare of the from chemical kinetic. Very simple. Conversion of acetaldehyde into propanol and acetaldehyde into ethanol. Grignard reagent. Again one and the same. On what ground it was? 30 question number is important. Listen carefully. Then a glucose contain 5 hydroxyl group. Draw the structure of D-alpha D glucopyranose. Glucopentacid, acetic anhydride. When it is treated, glucose is converted into glucopentacid. And structure you know very well. Biomolecule I have taught you very nicely. Now, Redhima want to detect the structure of the surface of material. Name the technique that she can use. That she can use is scan electron microscopy. This is from the last chapter, that is green and nanochemistry. From nanochemistry they have asked. So from nanochemistry you have to write, that is scanning electron microscopy. So, and the IUPAC name of this compound is 1-methyl cyclopentanol. Esterification reaction. In this way we have done with the third paper also. You can go through it very nicely, practice it, or you can by heart this type of some organic inorganic question also from this paper. So at least you can able to know such type of question when they ask in the exam, or you can write it in the exam also. Thank you.